That's not what we heard.
Maybe they're sending that F-17s after that.
Where would the F-17s come from?
I don't know, it came shooting over this way, over the saddle.
That was low. You could see it from like in this tree line.
Yeah, I know.
Did you get it? The video of it?
I hope I did.
It was like in that tree line.
I know it, babe.
That's not the sound that we heard though. It was similar, but it wasn't as loud.
And you can hear the jet. It's fading away.
Yeah, where this one was like...
It was like, and then gone, and then gone.